Hello and welcome to the Vegan Muscle Building Masterclass. I'm really pleased that you've joined. No matter at what stage that you're at in your strength training journey and also your veganism journey, everything that you need to succeed is here. To help you get started right from today, in the very section below, I've included a workout plan and a nutrition plan that I have used as a vegan to train for maximum gains. So even if that's not right for you, you're going to get a rough idea of exactly how can I get started today, even if I don't have time to go through the whole course now. Of course, go through the whole course, study it, you're going to learn exactly what you need to do, and most importantly, why you need to do it. That's really going to help you get off to the best start possible for long-term success. Please send me a message. We're both vegans, or maybe you're not, maybe you're considering going vegan. Either way, I really want to see you succeed, not just in your strength training, but also embracing vegan nutrition. I know that it works, and I'm passionate about seeing other people do exactly the same as I have done. Finally, if you feel like the course is lacking in any particular area, or you have any suggestions or recommendations for additional content, please let me know. I want this course to be a 5-star course for you, and I'll be satisfied once it is. So get started, enjoy the course, and I look forward to connecting with you and seeing you succeed.